So today we are going to make chicken meatballs, Indian style with some Indian spices. Prep time for this is 15 minutes. Cooking time is 20 minutes and it serves stew. To make this, we need the following ingredients. You need a small onion, salt, some fresh mint 2 tablespoons, 1 egg, chicken mince 250 grams, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, garam masala powder half teaspoon, chaat masala half teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, green chilies 2, fresh coriander 2 tablespoons. Take a food processor and add 1 small onion roughly chopped, add 2 green chilies, add the fresh coriander, clean, add the fresh mint, also clean, some lemon juice, add the garam masala powder one by one, add the turmeric. I like it because it's good for health. Add the ginger garlic paste. If you have fresh, you can add that too. Add some salt as per your taste. Add some chaat masala and blend it till it's finely chopped. Now add the chicken mince. And 1 egg. Pulse it a bit till it gets mixed well, and then slowly add the breadcrumbs, about half a cup. Mix it well, and now you're ready to go. Apply oil on your hands so when you make the balls it doesn't stick, and then take in 1 tablespoon portion, make the balls and set aside. You will get about 15 to 20 balls. And now it's time to cook it. Place a thick bottomed pan on a stove, add some oil and heat it. Once it's hot, place the meatballs to cook one by one. Let it cook on medium heat, and after about 3 to 4 minutes, you will see it nicely brown. Turn it and cook other sides. Repeat this until you've cooked all the balls. And this you can serve with some salad. It can also be had as a starter or an appetizer, and it's a beautiful dish for parties too. Enjoy it and do let us know how it turned out. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel and press the bell button to get notified.